Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. Apologies for the dullness of this video. This is because we have just reached 4 o'clock and obviously the daylight goes at 4 o'clock. So this is our package from Temu and I am super excited for this. I think a lot of you are going to jump on that cart tonight and order this because it's a beauty. It was a recommendation. Now, this was the parcel that was supposed to come yesterday, but for some reason it said that the locker was full, so it's come a day late, and I got £4 credit for it. So, yeah, brilliant. I can use that on Temu for something else, which I actually ordered last night, believe it or not. So, yeah, I've got some good things coming with that credit. Now, inside here, you are not going to believe what's in here. Oh, I'm so excited for this. We have, ready? We have a little duck. It's the Christmas duck, guys. Oh my God, and it gets better, right? Let me undo it and you'll see what I mean. Now, we are going to be doing this live on Sunday. Okay, so we're going to be doing this on Sunday for 2 hours. I think we could probably get it all done in one session. But this is what's really groovy about this. Right, look at this. It's not just a duck. This Christmas duck, it's got a cup of coffee. He's got a coffee. Like, how cute is that? Now, looking at that, oh my God, like, I don't even know if that's going to take us 1 hour, let alone 2, because as you can see, it's so small. We might finish the live early, but we're doing it Sunday live. So, as you can see, you've got the snow here. He's even got a little Christmas hat. Oh, it's so cute. And then we've got the tree. And then down here is a tree as well. And then, I don't really know what they are. Presents or something? I mean, obviously, you've got the... That looks like... oh, what them barrel sweets? I don't know if it's Quality Street or Celebrations, but... There's a chocolate that is like a barrel sheet, barrel one. I can't remember what Christmas sweets they're in. And then obviously he's got his cup of coffee there. So he's just plonked himself there in amongst what looks like pine cones with berries on, having a sit down. He looks like he's watching something over here while having a coffee. I saw that and I thought that was so strange, like a duck sitting there with the coffee. I thought that was so weird. But yeah, you don't often see ducks with coffee. So, yeah, coming away Sunday live at 2 PM UK time. That's UK at 2 PM UK time. And that's coming away in just under 2 days' time. And we'll do it live. If we finish early, then, of course, we will finish the live early as well. Now, the stick on this is... Oh, it's not great. The stick's quite weak on that. But on here... I think Linda's going to like this because she loves Wilbur. When I did my pig called Wilbur, she always used to go, Wilbur! And yeah, I still ain't finished this part of that painting at the moment. So I think it was his face I need to finish on it. And we ran out of pink drills. So as you can see, these are special drills. As I say, apologies for the lighting here. We have just turned 4 o'clock and it gets very dark quickly at 4 o'clock. So we've got green, we've got some silver marquees and some red and yellow. What is that? I don't know what that is. Is that pink or silver? I can't work it out. And then red and pink, green, silver, light blue, I think that is. See, I would have waited till tomorrow, but because I'm so itching to get into it, I just had to open it now. So, yeah, unfortunately, it's a sort of, you know, dull sort of lighting, but there's nothing we can do about that. We have to get into it because I've got to kit it up as well, you see, ready for Sunday. And silver and red. And obviously you've got both there. Now this is going to be difficult because I know for a fact that if I keep this up now, I want to start this tomorrow, but I can't because I'm saving this for the live. So tomorrow you've got the 2 hour live. So that's the painting, as you can see. Now tomorrow you have got the 2-hour live stream that's coming your way at Saturday at 2 o'clock, and that's with Linda Express. You've also got the 3 p.m. Linda Express, which is coming your way at 3 a.m. in the morning UK time tonight, which is technically early hours of Saturday morning. And then obviously Sunday we'll be doing the 2 hours on this. I anticipate this will take around about an hour and a half. I didn't expect it to be so quick, but it's so cute, and I just had to have it. I've been really excited for this one, and the one that I bought last night with the credit that I got, I have got a little puppy on the way, so exclusive there. I've got a little puppy. He's a Christmas puppy, and I can't wait to show you that. It should be with us in around 7 days' time with a few other bits and bobs. And obviously, if you want to get this beautiful duck for yourself, then I'll pop the link in the description of the video. I believe it's only the one size at 30x30, but it's just so cute, and I have to have it. I'm sorry it had to come home with me, because I just love it. I think it's absolutely stunning. I don't think these are going to be white jewels. You never ever seem to get white jewels. They're always silver, so it's going to have like silver as well. But yeah, so strange. A cup of coffee with a duck. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you Sunday live for the Christmas duck here. So until then, have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye bye for now.